guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Wiggins Hair. I've been super excited about collaborating with them for this particular wig because it's an HD lace. They pre-bleached it, pre-plucked it for you. All you have to do is cut the lace, so the lace is not pre-cut for you, but it's so simple. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do like a mock glueless method. Basically spraying your hair down and then taking your time to do the front area, so then you can like rub your hand back and it's not gonna lift up, and you can also wear it like how I'm wearing it without the baby hairs. So if you guys are interested in how I got this wig to look like this, I also did like my mousse method and diffused it to get the curls to pop. Let's get right into this video. Alright you guys, so I'm starting off using my Care wax stick. I'm using this to sleek my hair down, and before I put the wig on, I want to show you guys what came in the package. So they came with some eyelashes, an edge brush, I'm going really fast, and a bag, and you put everything in the bag. So yeah, that's basically all the things that came in the packaging. And today I'm installing their frontal wig. So you can see it is pre-bleached and the hairline is pre-plucked for you. It has no baby hair, so we're doing a no baby hair look, obviously. It comes with an elastic band and it just looks really good. It feels really good as well. So I'm starting off by just putting it on my head to see how it's laying, and it's laying very well because, you know, sometimes some of the hair on the side, like my sideburns, would be showing, and I don't like that. So I really appreciate that they had enough hair right there. I'm cutting off the ear tabs, and then I am putting a slit down the middle, and I'm using a razor to cut off the edges. I'm going to play some music because I do this all the time, so it's pretty self-explanatory, so you guys can watch what I'm doing.
Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in time for. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Girl, I know you feel me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got. This shit right now. I'm so busy for this shit right now. Don't want to talk about this shit right now.
assurance. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston, and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah, who I got protect you when you feel you are in danger. You know what I know, no new man, you know I'm not a stranger. You want to know what you're comfortable. You want to be you're comfortable. I know, no. I know, I can't let you go. I know. I got things that's pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah, Mrs. I got things that's pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it.
Oh my gosh, Cody. I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turns out I'm the nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed really honest, turning in and giving time. Personal problems till the talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be, this shit sleep divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know all the things that she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I come true.
Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. If you enjoyed this video, if you follow along with me to do your wig this way, I think this looks so freaking good. Like the no baby hair deep wave type of look looks so good. It looks very grown. It looks so freaking good, so grown. So if you guys are interested in checking out Wiggins Hair, I'll have them linked down below for you. So check my description box and the wig is gonna be there. It's about 85% dried. I can still feel a little bit of wetness in it, but that's okay. Once it's dried, like completely dried, it will be like so nice and fluffy, I could tell. And the ends are already dried. I made sure I dried the ends so that the curls are gonna stay. I'm loving this wig. I definitely give it like a 9 out of 10 or like an 8.5, 9 out of 10. That's really high. So yeah, this is how the hairline looks. I decided to do a no baby hair look so I can, you know, leave it how it came. It did not come with no pre-baby hair, so I left it without the baby hairs. And you could see how natural the hairline looked. They plucked it for you and everything. I'll have the wig linked down below. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Don't forget to like this video and comment some white hearts in the comment section below. And I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye!